Where do you find the inspiration for your work? Do you find that you're just making work for the sake of it? You're not quite sure what to do and which direction to go in? Then you may need a longer course with a tutor like myself, who is well versed and very experienced in helping students along the way, along the windy journey to create your own style and develop your own ideas. It's difficult when you've worked with lots of different tutors, you've done all the workshops and lots of short courses, but you're still not sure where to start. Experimental Textiles is a new 10-month online course. Because it's online, you can do it anytime, any place, anywhere. You can be in your pajamas wearing a tiara. It doesn't matter, no one's going to see you. You can still wear your tiara when you talk to me for your once a month tutorial and also for the group discussions that we have. There's also a private group on the website where you can all have a little chat together and find out how everybody's getting on. You can work on the kitchen table on a work surface in the kitchen. You probably will need a few storage boxes to keep your materials in if you don't have them already. The new Experimental Textiles video library will be available to everyone on an annual subscription. But for the Experimental Textile students, they will have 2 years free access. I made it 2 years free because the first year you're going to be working with me and doing a reasonable amount of work. So come on a journey with me. We'll have great fun. You'll learn a lot. And by the end of it, you'll have made an amazing finished piece of work. Why don't you book a chat with me and see if I can help?